Okay, so here is PETI app. So here you can, with help of this app, animate your pet photos or your baby photos, and basically they can just talk or sing or anything you want. So here is the app. Basically you don't need to create an account, nothing. So you just tap plus, and here, yeah, you can just upload the photo from your camera roll or take a selfie. But let's just start with a template so I can show you. So for example, here is a template. And yeah, so you see when I'm talking, so this app, like this photo, is also talking. So you can put your pad and then you can just talk with it. And to record it, hey, trying to record this video. So then it's recorded, and tap in bottom left, and then the video should be saved, and then it just appears in your camera roll. So that's pretty cool. And then you can just share it as well by tapping this icon. So that's that. You can choose to play original. So yeah, anyway, so that's the idea. You can also select like babies, and again you can go to pets and select from here. So that's how it works. In short, to add a music, yep, probably you just need again to upload it and something like that. You can also you can also subscribe to premium. Yeah, so something like that, so you can see all the details there. But anyways, that's how it works.